Hey everyone, today we got a game-changing guide for you on how to choose the perfect copywriting niche and craft a portfolio that will have clients knocking on your digital door. Get ready to level up your copy game. This is how to choose your copywriting niche and build a killer portfolio for success. Segment number 1. The power of niche copywriting. Alright, let's dive into the captivating world of niche copywriting. Have you ever considered not just specializing in a niche, but also in a specific type of writing? It is like donning the cape of a superhero tailored for a particular industry. Picture this: being the go-to email copywriter for e-commerce giants or the wordsmith behind the sales pages for life coaches. Believe me, it is a game changer that makes you downright irresistible to your dream clients. In the realm of niche copywriting, the magic lies in the precision and expertise you bring to the table. It is not just about being a jack of all trades, it is about being the undisputed master in a particular domain. Whether it is the nuanced language of a tech startup, the vibrant storytelling for a wellness brand, or the persuasive prowess in financial copy, specializing in a niche allows you to tailor your skills like a bespoke suit for your chosen industry. Think of it as crafting a narrative that speaks directly to the hearts and minds of your target audience within a specific niche. You become not just a copywriter, but a trusted advisor who understands the intricacies, challenges, and aspirations of that particular industry. Your words resonate more profoundly because they are not generic. They are laser focused on addressing the unique needs of your niche. Now, imagine the allure for your dream clients when they discover that you are not just a copywriter, but a specialist in the exact type of writing they need. You become the missing piece of their puzzle, the secret ingredient that elevates their brand messaging to new heights. The power of niche copywriting is the power of exclusivity, where your expertise becomes a coveted asset in a sea of generalists. So as we explore the undeniable power of niche copywriting, consider the superpowers you could unleash by not just specializing in a niche, but by becoming the go-to wordsmith for a specific type of writing within that niche. It is a journey that transforms you from a mere copywriter to a superhero of words, wielding your pen with precision and impact. Get ready to discover the irresistible charm of niche copywriting. Segment number 2. Choosing your niche. Now, let us tackle the big question. How do you go about choosing your niche? The answer is simple. My fellow wordsmiths, pick something you are not just passionate about, but also something you are knowledgeable in or have hands-on experience with. Choosing your niche isn't a mere strategic decision. It is about aligning your professional journey with your personal passions. Consider this: when you are genuinely passionate about a niche, writing for it transcends the realm of a job. It becomes a full-fledged passion project. Your enthusiasm seeps into every word. Your understanding of the nuances of the niche deepens, and your connection with the audience becomes authentic and compelling. So let your passions guide you. What industries or topics ignite that spark within you? Is it the vibrant world of tech, the wellness and fitness domain, or perhaps the intricate landscape of financial services? Your niche is not just a professional label, it is a reflection of your interests and expertise. Equally important is considering your existing knowledge or experience. What areas do you already possess insights into? Your expertise becomes the foundation upon which you build your niche specialization. It is not just about what you enjoy, but also about what you bring to the table, your unique perspective, insights, and understanding of the intricacies within that niche. Choosing your niche, in essence, is about creating a symbiotic relationship between your passion and your expertise. It is the sweet spot where your professional journey aligns seamlessly with your personal interest, creating a dynamic vision that propels you towards becoming a specialist in your chosen field. So as you embark on the journey of choosing your niche, let your passions be your compass. Let your expertise be the guiding light. The result? A niche that not only defines your professional identity, but also fuels your creativity, making each writing endeavor a joyful exploration. Get ready to immerse yourself in a niche that resonates with your heart and your pen. Segment number 3. Top 6 Profitable Niches. Time to dive into the moolah, my fellow wordsmiths. I present to you the top 6 most profitable writing niches that could turn your passion for writing into a lucrative venture. Drumroll, please. We've got finance, software or SaaS, health and wellness, technology, real estate, and e-commerce. Buckle up because these are not just industries. They are treasure troves of opportunities for savvy copywriters like yourself. Number 1. Finance. The realm of finance is not just about numbers. It is about storytelling with a touch of monetary magic. From crafting compelling investment guides to demystifying complex financial jargon, copywriting in the finance niche is your ticket to a world where every word carries financial weight. Number 2. Software or SaaS. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, software or SaaS, companies are in constant need of persuasive communication. From enticing landing pages to engaging email campaigns, your words have the power to make complex tech solutions not just understandable, but irresistible. Number 3. Health and wellness. Wellness is not just a trend, it is a way of life. Writing in the health and wellness niche allows you to empower individuals on their journey to a healthier, happier existence. From crafting persuasive product descriptions for supplements to inspiring content for wellness brands, your words become catalysts for positive change. Number 4. Technology. In a world driven by innovation, technology companies are hungry for copywriters who can translate the language of tech into a captivating narrative. Whether it is software, gadgets, or the next big tech trend, your words can be the bridge between complexity and clarity. Number 5. Real estate. The world of real estate is all about selling dreams, and as a copywriter, you have the power to turn those dreams into reality. From crafting compelling property descriptions to creating persuasive sales copy, your words can be the key to unlocking doors for potential buyers. Number 6. E-commerce. With the boom of online shopping, e-commerce is a bustling playground for copywriters. From writing product descriptions that leap off the screen to creating enticing sales copy, your words can transform casual browsers into loyal customers. These 6 niches aren't not just profitable, they are like golden tickets to a copywriting paradise. So whether you are drawn to the allure of finance, captivated by the world of tech, or passionate about promoting well-being, there is a niche waiting for your words to make a splash. It's time to turn your writing prowess into a profitable adventure in these lucrative industries. Segment number 4. Types of copywriting and rates. Now let us talk turkey. Because it is not just about that niche, it is about the type of copywriting you are diving into. Pace yourself, fellow wordsmiths, because from emails to sales pages, video scripts to sales funnels, each type comes with its own earning potential. And trust me, the possibilities are as vast as the writing cosmos itself. Number 1. Emails. The humble email, a digital messenger that holds immense power. Crafting persuasive email copy can be the gateways to steady income. Whether it is nurturing sequences, promotional emails, or captivating newsletters, your words in the inbox can translate into a steady flow of revenue. Number 2. Sales pages. Enter the world of sales pages, a realm where your words have the potential to turn browsers into buyers. Craft compelling sales pages and you are not just selling a product, you are selling an experience. The art of persuasion here can open the floodgates to impressive compensation. Number 3. Video scripts. Lights, camera, copy. Video scripts are the unsung heroes behind captivating visuals. Whether it is creating compelling product videos or crafting scripts for marketing campaigns, your words can take center stage. And here is the kick to it. A well-crafted video sales letter can even fetch you a jaw-dropping $50,000 or more. Number 4. Sales funnels. Picture this as the architect of persuasion. Sales funnels guide potential customers through a journey of engagement, education, and ultimately conversion. Your role? Crafting the copy that keeps the funnel flowing smoothly, while optimized sales funnel can translate into lucrative returns. Each type of copywriting is like a different instrument in your writing orchestra, playing a unique melody that resonates with clients. And here is the beauty. As you hone your skills in these various forms, your earning potential expands exponentially. So whether you are captivated by the art of the email, enthralled by the power of sales pages, or ready to script the next blockbuster video, each type of copywriting is a gateway to not just income, but a canvas for your creative expression. The writing cosmos is vast, my friends, and the possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. It is time to wield your pen across various types of copywriting and watch as your earning potential takes center stage. The copywriting world is your oyster. Time to dive in and claim your pearls. Segment number 5. Reality check and examples. Time for a reality check, my aspiring wordsmiths. Making money as a copywriter isn't just a sprint. It is a marathon that demands time, effort, dedication, and a killer self-marketing game. But fear not, for I bring you not just wisdom but inspiration. Feast your eyes on cathos.com, creativerealestatecopy.com, and cassidyhone.com. Prime examples of copywriters who are not just swimming but dominating in their chosen niches. Number 1. Catombros.com. Take a stroll through cathos.com. You will find a copywriter who is not just in the game but rewriting the rules. The website is a testament to the power of specializing in a niche. Cato, the wordsmith extraordinaire, has carved a niche in the finance sector, creating content that not only resonates with the audience but also establishes authority. It is a lesson in how focused expertise can elevate your copywriting game to new heights. Number 2. CreativeRealEstateCopy.com. If real estate is your calling, look no further than CreativeRealEstateCopy.com. This is where the magic of words meets the allure of property. This copywriter has mastered the art of capturing the essence of real estate. From compelling property descriptions to persuasive sales copy, it is a showcase of how specializing in a niche, coupled with a keen understanding of the industry, can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Number 3. CassidyHorton.com. Now, head over to CassidyHorton.com and you will encounter a copywriter who is not just crafting words but crafting a brand. Cassidy has embraced the power of personal branding, showcasing not only her skills but also her personality. This is a prime example of how infusing authenticity into your brand can set you apart in a crowded market. It is a reminder that being yourself can be your biggest asset as a copywriter. These examples are not just showcases of successful copywriters, they are beacons of inspiration for your journey. They remind us that success in the world of copywriting requires more than just writing prowess. It demands strategic positioning, relentless self-marketing, and unwavering commitment to your niche. So as you embark on your copywriting odyssey, take cues from these trailblazers. Specialize, market yourself fiercely, and let your unique voice resonate in your niche. The reality check is here, but so is the inspiration. It is time to turn your copywriting dreams into reality that not only sustains but thrives. Get ready to make your mark in the world of words. Segment number 6. How to choose your niche. Time to roll up your sleeves and choose that niche. Fellow wordsmiths, it is not a mystical quest, it is a strategic decision rooted in your passions and expertise. Ready? Ask yourself these critical questions. Number 1. What are you passionate about? The heartbeat of your niche lies in your passion. What sets your soul on fire? Is it the dynamic world of technology, the pulse of the financial market, or perhaps the flourishing landscape of wellness? Your passion is the compass that will guide you towards a niche where your writing will resonate with genuine enthusiasm. Number 2. What industries do you know inside out? Expertise is your secret weapon. What industries do you know like the back of your hand? Your existing knowledge becomes the bedrock upon which you can build your niche specialization. Whether it is years of experience or a deep-seated interest, your expertise positions you as a trusted authority in your chosen niche. Number 3. What content do you love consuming in your free time? Your leisure activities reveal more than you think. What type of content do you find yourself devouring during your free moments? Whether it is tech blogs, finance podcasts, or wellness magazines, your personal preferences offer insights into the niches that genuinely captivate your interests. These questions aren't just prompts, they are your roadmap to choosing the perfect niche. Your answers will unveil the niche that aligns not just with your professional aspirations, but with your personal passions. Remember, your niche isn't just a label, it is an extension of who you are as a writer. So grab a pen, jot down your responses, and let the answers guide you towards that niche where your words will not just resonate but will create waves. The perfect niche is not a distant dream. It is a conscious choice that aligns your passion, expertise, and interests into harmonious symphony. Get ready to embark on the journey of niche selection and watch as your copywriting adventures takes a focused and exhilarating turn. Segment number 7. Building your killer portfolio. Be excited because we are diving into the art of building your killer portfolio. Clients aren't impressed by quantity. They crave quality that speaks to their needs. So here is the game plan. Focus on creating 3 to 5 targeted examples that scream expertise in your chosen niche. Whether it is emails, sales pages, or video scripts, let your portfolio be a showcase of what you want to be hired for. Number 1. Quality over quantity. Repeat after me. Quality over quantity. Your portfolio is not just a voluminous novel. It is a carefully curated selection or collection of your best work. Choose pieces that not only highlight your writing prowess, but also align with your niche. Each example should be a shining beacon of excellence that leaves lasting impression on potential clients. Number 2. Targeted examples. Precision is key. Tailor your examples to match your chosen needs. If you are diving into the finance world, showcase a captivating investment guide or a persuasive sales page for a financial product. The more targeted and industry-specific your examples, the more they resonate with potential clients looking for expertise in that niche. Number 3. Variety in format. Spice things up. Your portfolio is not a one-dimensional canvas. It is a dynamic showcase of your versatility. Include a mix of formats, emails, sales pages, video scripts, or any other relevant formats for your niche. This variety not only demonstrates your range but also gives clients a taste of your adaptability. Number 4. Showcase what you want to be hired for. Your portfolio is your stage. Make it a performance that resonates with your aspirations. If you aspire to be the go-to email copywriter, let your portfolio be filled with email examples that leave clients eager to click hire. Your portfolio should scream, "This is what I excel at, and this is why you should hire me." Number 5. Compelling storytelling. Let each example tell a story. Clients are not just looking for words, they are looking for narratives that captivate, persuade, and leave a lasting impression. Whether it is a narrative woven into an email sequence or the storytelling prowess evident in a sales page, let your portfolio be a testament to your ability to craft compelling stories. So my fellow wordsmiths, as you embark on the journey of building your killer portfolio, remember, it is not about the quantity of pieces, it is about the quality that leaves an indelible mark. Your portfolio is your ambassador. Make sure it speaks the language of your niche and showcases the brilliance you bring to the table. And there you have it. Future copywriting legends, armed with the knowledge of choosing your niche and building that killer portfolio. You are ready to conquer the copywriting world. Keep those words flowing and watch your success soar. Till next time, this is how to choose your copywriting niche and build a killer portfolio for success. Furthermore, if you found this video informative and crave for more additional insights, we encourage you to consider becoming a subscriber to our channel. Your support is what keeps this channel running and enables us to continue delivering valuable information. And also, I'd love to hear your requests for future episodes. We are excited about connecting with you in our future videos. Thanks for tuning in.